case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
Frymire Engineering faced a lawsuit after a water line installed by its employees ruptured, causing significant damage to a hotel during a remodeling project. The company had a general liability insurance policy with Liberty Mutual, which paid the hotel for the damages. Frymire attempted to recover the indemnification payment from the manufacturers of the ADA valve that was installed on the water line, Jomar International and Mixer SRL, alleging negligence, product liability, and breach of warranty. The court had to decide if the subrogation doctrine, which allows someone who pays a debt they are not primarily responsible for to recover those payments from the primary debtor, applied to the case. The court ruled in favor of Frymire, reversing the Court of Appeals decision and remanding the case for further proceedings. This decision hinged on the fact that Frymire had involuntarily paid Jomar's debt, allowing them to use the subrogation doctrine to seek recovery.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.